This week, pahinga muna tayo sa Taiwan Vlogs. Welcome to our quick Baguio trip.
52 chances, let's go. Hey! Pack up the car, hit the road. Good food, big laughs, friends in tow. 52 weekends, make them glow. Oh! 52 chances, let's go. Hey!
Kidnap. Kidnap victims. Ay, hindi pa namin nakuha yung contact ng mga emergency contact yung para sa ransom.
May PW discount yung ano. Discount yung ransom.
Yung ransom nun sa'yo. This week, after watching a movie, we decided to go to Baguio with our friends. Just something random to break the monotony of the week. At sino ba naman ang hindi pa nabubuang sa init sa Maynila? Kaya we decided to go to the summer capital para maka-experience naman ng konting lamig and look at this wonderful view. It was super late when we got to the place where we're gonna stay, so napag-isipan namin na maglaro lang muna ng mga card games.
Never mo ako pinasahan ng baget nandito ako. Sisiw yan. Baget.
Alam ko yung sinabi mo. Alam ko rin kung ano siya.
Yung bago nun, di ba?
Hindi. Luma to. Luma to.
Ano ba?
Handa na siyang balikta rin. Yung ibibigay mo sa kanya.
Ang galag mo tandaan.
We played That's Not a Hat, isang game na hindi lang itetest ang memory mo kundi ang friendship nyo. We played until almost 4 AM and natulog kami right after kasi nga gusto pa namin pumunta sa mga kapihan at kainan dito sa Baguio. Baguio's beauty and weather has always been a delight. Kaya nga kahit trick na trick ang araw, ang sarap-sarap mag-ikot-ikot. And today, pupunta kami sa isang sikat na kainan dito sa Baguio. Welcome to the Good Taste Restaurant. Good Taste is one of those restaurants na binabalik-balikan talaga namin. Bukod sa napakasarap na ng luto nila, napakamura pa. If you go here in the future, make sure that you get their buttered chicken. This is one of the dishes that they're famous for. And that 300 to 400 pesos na dish that could feed up to 4 people, wala ka talagang lugi. Plus, meron pa silang robot na nagsaserve ng food.
Pagtrentahe na talaga, pag pinapapak na.
And with our bellies full, we went on to our next stop. Welcome to Foam Cafe. This cafe was introduced to us by our very dear friend na si Jester. When we first tried this place, we never really had the chance to try their donuts, so we made sure na this time talagang masubukan na namin. We got their creme brulee and cheesecake donuts and I'm telling you, ang sarap-sarap niya. No exaggeration, hindi siya sobrang tamis pero napaka-creamy niya and ang ganda ng texture ng dough. In fact, nag-uwi pa nga kami na isang box dahil sobrang nasarapan kami. And at its price point na 80 pesos per donut, it's a steal. As for their coffee, it's cheaper than Starbucks, priced at around 150 to 200. I'd have to say na ang taste niya is at par with other premium coffee shops, but it's not as life-changing as their pastries. And that is the end of this week's quick video. After namin mag-coffee, pumunta pa kami sa Burnham Park and Public Market pero hindi na namin na-videohan so siguro next time na lang. Thank you so much kay Ace and Matt for joining us on a whim. Thank you so much for watching our short video and I hope that whoever is watching this video has found a way to cool off in this very hot season. Please stay tuned and subscribe because our next video will be the final day of our Taiwan journey. See you next week!